How to get a refund on Tim Hortons UAE app. First, you want to go to your Safari, and here you want to tap on the search bar and search for Tim Hortons website. After that, you want to tap on the website, and here you want to scroll down all the way, tap on accounts over here. After that, you want to scroll down again, and you want to tap on contact us over here. After that, you want to scroll down again, and here you will see all the options available here. You want to simply tap on contact digital support, tap on contact support, and here you will see all the options which will help you to solve your problem. You want to tap on general inquiry, tap on others, and here you will see a page which will look something like this. Here you want to type it out your name, your email, and you want to describe your issue over here. You want to specify all the details about your order and your experience, and also you want to make an appeal about our refund. And if all your reasons are valid, once the team reaches out to you within 2 to 3 business days with your mail, you'll be able to get your refund as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment them down below.